Hello, I'm David Lee, an international exhibition consultant based in South Korea. For the past 9 years, I've worked with hundreds of startups to help them succeed at global trade shows like CES, IFA, MWC, or even ADIPEC in Abu Dhabi. One of my most memorable experiences was helping a small Korean startup from a regional city. At CES 2025, we developed a strategy that went far beyond their booths, leveraging the entire traditional platform with thought leadership speeches, award campaigns, and business matching. The result? They signed an MOU with NVIDIA right at the show. In my session, Stand Out to Scale Up, How Startups Dominate Global Exhibitions, I share a three-step frameworks that help startups unlock similar success stories. We'll explore pre-show strategies to build a compelling narrative, on-site tactics like awards, speeches, and exclusive events to attract media and investors, and post-show methods to turn connections into growth. After each step, participants will join group discussions to create their own startup-focused trade show strategies. This interactive method has been successfully applied in Korea, equipping founders with actionable insights. By the end of the session, you walk away with strategies and a draft plan to help your clients or your startups achieve measurable success at global exhibitions. I'm so excited to share these proven approaches with you at Expeller Live. See you there. Bye-bye.